How to fix cute email not sending in Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix cute email not sending in Gmail. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Gmail in your device, and once you have opened it up, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now from your inbox page, navigate to top left and tap on the three-line icon. From this menu bar, scroll all the way to the end and then tap on Settings. Once you're under Settings, again navigate to top right and tap on three dot. Now tap on Manage Accounts. Here scroll down and select your account. Then tap on Account Sync. Here scroll down and turn off this toggle for Gmail. Once you have done that, you can close your Gmail completely. After that, restart your device. Press and hold your power button, tap on Restart. And once your device gets restarted and it reopens, now again you have to open up Gmail. Again tap on the three line at the top left, scroll all the way to its end, tap on Settings, tap on three dot at the top right, tap on Manage Account, select your account, tap on Account Sync, scroll down. Now you have to turn on your toggle for Gmail. Once you have done that, now go back and try to send the message in your queue. And now your message or your Gmail should be sent. So that's the way to fix the cute email not sending in your Gmail. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.